Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up theme park recipes here in my kitchen. Today, we're pulling a recipe from Knott's Berry Farms, and we're going to be working on a Halloween recipe. We're going to be doing their haunted mummy dogs. What I have in front of me is I have a roll of Crescent Rolls that's already been pre-opened and just unrolled. I haven't done anything else with it. And the reason why I have it open ahead of time is because my wonderful husband helps me open them because I am terrified of these cans. I've had more than one can explode on me, and now I am petrified and I will not open them. So they are pre-opened so that you don't hear me screaming. Okay, so we're starting off with by taking one of the four squares. We're going to bring it over here, and then we're just going to kind of spread it a little bit, and we're going to push all the little seams together. So we're just going to kind of seal up the seam on this one, and we're going to get it laid out. And then we're going to cut this into about 10 pieces. So if I can actually get 10 out of this or not. So we're going to go in half, roughly, and then ten is going to be tight. Luckily, they're mummies, so if they're even or uneven, I don't think it's going to much matter when we wrap them. Because even is not something that I am particularly good at cutting. If I was doing this for a pie or something, I would actually pull out a ruler and I would cut against the ruler to kind of make sure that my lines are a bit more even. We have room for a second one on here, so we're going to get a second one going. And then we'll start wrapping some hot dogs and getting them ready to be baked. I do have my oven turned on to 375. It is preheated already. You can use crescent rolls, or if you can find the crescent sheets, those would also work. You would just cut that into quarters and then cut it into 10 strips as well, or 10-ish strips. So let's see if we do better this time. Maybe the first one's just a practice one. Oh, this is going a little better. Maybe I should have just bought an extra can so I could have had a practice tube and then done it for real. This is not something I've ever made before, as usual. What I liked about this recipe I thought would be fun. You could do it with kids. Kids could help with this one. It could be a kind of a family Halloween thing. What I have is just some all beef hot dogs. I'm going to pull one out. And then I'm going to, they say 4 pieces, roughly. I'm going to leave a little spot on the top. And we're just going to kind of wrap, kind of like a mummy, all down the hot dog. I'm not sure that I'm going to need 4 pieces, but we're going to try. We're going to grab one more of these. I'm also leaving a little spot here because when they come out, I'm going to use some ketchup and mustard. And I'm going to put some little eyes on him. So let's go like that. So I want to make sure I leave like a little spot for his face to be. Now we're going to take the last one. We're just going to start up here, and I'm just going to kind of bring it down and around him to make him look good and bandaged. So there's mummy dog number 1. Let's grab another one. And let's see if we can mummy him a bit. I'm not sure how these will look when they come out of the oven. Hopefully they'll be cute. If not, well, we can learn from what I did and try to do better next time. Let's do another one. Okay. I'm just going to do a few of these little guys, and then we'll get them in the oven. And we'll bake them so you can see what they look like. I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me wrap 8 hot dogs. I don't think that would be very exciting. So we're going to do one more, mainly because I have 3 kids, which means I have 3 people anxiously awaiting to taste these. So this way everybody can try one while I'm working on the rest. And let's see. Okay. Let's make sure there's a little place for their faces. And that looks pretty good. I'm going to put these in the oven for 13 to 17 minutes. And I will see you guys back here at the end of that baking time. Oh, should have pans in there already. So let me pull those out and put these in, and I will see you guys in 13 to 17 minutes. Welcome back. It's been 13 minutes, and our Haunted Mummy Crescent dogs are ready to come out. Let's open the oven and grab them out. Oh, there they are. Boy, those really are cute. I can definitely see where kids would have a lot of fun eating those. I'm going to give these just a second, and then I'm going to transfer them over here, and we're going to put some eyes on them using ketchup and mustard. Let's just kind of grab that. I think that side looks good. If you notice behind me, I did wrap the rest of the dogs while we were in break, and those will be going in the oven shortly. So let's give this guy, let's see. Looks like he's peeking out up here. Some little mustard eyes. And I'll give this guy a couple little ketchup eyes. Looks like he's peeking out down here. And we'll do ketchup on the last one as well. I'll say right about there is where I think his little eyes will peek out from. And there you have it. Knott's Berry Farm's Haunted Mummy Dogs. They are definitely cute. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.